Hi, in this video, let's understand how you can set up WhatsApp profile. To set up your WhatsApp profile, which will be visible to your customers, you can just click on the setting icon here and then click on WhatsApp profile. So once you click on WhatsApp profile, you just need to fill out this data and then save and set live. Here, you can see the preview on how the information is going to look like to your customers on their WhatsApp. So first, start with the logo. Upload your logo here. Once the logo is uploaded, you can see the preview. Then click on the description, enter the business description and choose the category related to your business. Make sure you choose the correct category. If your category is not available, you can just choose the other option. Once this is done, click on contact information, add your business address, fill out your email address, and then fill out the website. Make sure you copy-paste the link or else just add HTTPS. Then click on Provide Compliance Info. You again have to fill the legal business name, business type, the customer care information, and grievance officer information. You can add the same details here. That will also work. Once all the details are done, you just have to click on Save and Set Live. Once this is done, the customers will start seeing your